Hey, what's up guys? Neat J here. Welcome to my video. In the last video, we used an octane hair material to create gradient hair. Today we'll do this using the Redshift principled hair material in Cinema 4D. Let's get started. Create an RS principled hair material and drag the material onto the hair object. In the node editor, delete the C4D hair attributes node. Search for a ramp node and plug it into the albedo port. For a clearer look at the gradient, I'll connect it to the tint input, since the default tint is white. Set up the gradient colors. Turn off melanin and melanin redness. If you don't get a root to tip gradient, you can use a hair position node. In earlier versions, the gradient does not automatically run along the strand. Just plug its outscaler into the ramp's alt input. This feeds a 0 to 1 value along the hair length. Okay, delete the node and continue. We can change the old range min and max values to redefine the visible range of the gradient. Now let's move on to the global gradient. Search for a node called triplanar. And insert this node between the ramp and the tint input. So the triplanar projection controls how this gradient is mapped onto the hair. Now the ramp is mapped vertically. The Y scale on the triplanar controls how the gradient is projected. Adjusting the Y scale stretches the texture coordinates along that axis. I'll set it to 0.05. Change the old range min and max to remap which part of the input is spread across the full ramp. Try different values to make the gradient distribution on the hair looks more even. If you want a left to right gradient, it's very easy. Change the ramp mapping to horizontal and adjust the X scale value instead. And tweak the old range values. That's it for today's quick tip. If you found this helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.